All right, we're in, I believe, 2095 Lakeshore Boulevard. The second party room. This TV is up. No issues with the power on this one. We just bridged the power, and we got 4 points up here, 2 points down here. These are only in drywall, so they're not going to do a whole lot, but she's on, and yeah, we're good. Ouch. All right, we're out here at 2087 Lakeshore Boulevard West. Just mounted this TV, and it looks good. The only issue is that when we went to plug this guy in, these prongs were bent 90 degrees, and when I went to bend them back, they snapped right off. So they're going to need to be replaced. This is a model SA-PM8.2 V/1.7A. Part number 4013731. So that's going to have to be replaced. Outside of that, she's good to go.